Fava, the protein-packed bean for bodybuilders. Beans are a great source of protein and fiber. Fava beans, in particular, are a great source of both. Michael Greger. Fava beans, also known as broad beans, have been a staple in Mediterranean and Middle Eastern cuisine for centuries. They are a great source of plant-based protein, fiber, and other essential nutrients that make them a perfect addition to a bodybuilder's diet. Unlike animal-based protein sources, fava beans are low in fat and cholesterol, making them a healthier alternative. They are also rich in vitamins and minerals such as iron, magnesium, and potassium, which are essential for muscle growth and repair. Moreover, fava beans are versatile and can be incorporated into a variety of dishes. They can be boiled, roasted, or mashed, and used as a base for dips and spreads. They can also be added to salads, stews, and soups to boost their protein content. But why are protein-rich foods important for bodybuilders? Well, protein is essential for muscle growth and repair. When we exercise, we create microtears in our muscle fibers, and protein is needed to repair and rebuild them. Without enough protein, our muscles won't grow and recover as efficiently, leading to slower progress and increased risk of injury. Therefore, incorporating protein-rich foods like fava beans into a bodybuilder's diet is crucial for optimal muscle growth and recovery. And with its delicious taste and versatility, fava beans are an excellent option for anyone looking to add more plant-based protein to their diet. In conclusion, fava beans are a protein-packed bean that should be a staple in every bodybuilder's diet. They are versatile, delicious, and packed with essential nutrients that are crucial for muscle growth and repair. So, whether you're a bodybuilder or just looking to add more protein to your diet, give fava beans a try and reap their many benefits.